Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to create exploded assembly in FreeCAD with animation. Here I have created an assembly with a exploded view, and you can see the animation. I can play it again. And in this tutorial I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same in FreeCAD. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can also download my tutorial source file from here. You can also support my work by buying my FreeCAD crash course for beginner. It is a very basic level course for the beginner user, where a beginner user can master the FreeCAD. And you can also support my work on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. You will get my website link and my Ko-fi donation page link in a video description. So let's start our tutorial. I will close this assembly, and I will open assembly, bearing puller assembly, and we will create a exploded view with animation. To create exploded view with animation, we require exploded assembly workbench. To install this workbench, head over to the tool and then add-on manager, and select here workbenches and type here exploded. So you will see here exploded assembly. Install it and restart your FreeCAD. So once you activate exploded assembly, if exploded assembly toolbars are not active, then switch to any other workbench and then again activate exploded assembly, so that icon will be get activated. Now we will explode this screw, nut, leg and arm. For this, first we will select our screw face and click on create a simple group. So under the exploded assembly, in a tree, a simple group has been added. Press the F2 keyboard button and give it a name as a bolt. Now if we click on our group, then we can see that distance is 20 mm. So it's not looks good 20 mm, so we will increase it to the 150. And here you will get some properties related to the animation steps. So animation steps I will keep 300. This animation speed we will keep common for our all parts which we are going to explode. So here we have exploded the bolt. Now we will rotate our assembly and select this nut face and click on create a simple group. So one more group is created. Now this group name I will give nut by pressing the F2 key, nut, and distance I will give as per my isometric orientation. So distance here I will give 100 or 80. So here we have exploded bolt and nut. Now we will explode this leg. So I will select the leg face and create a simple group, and now I will give it a name leg, and I will give it a distance 300, and animation speed I will give 300. Not animation speed, I forgot to give, I will give it 300. Now we will explode this body. So this is arm. So select the face which you want to explode. Okay, do not select this side face because we want to explode it into the minus y direction. So face selection is very important. Now click on create a group, give it a name arm by pressing the F2, arm, and this arm distance would be 150. Let's see, yes, 150, or we can increase it to the 165. Okay, and animation speed 300. Now before playing the animation we will check the animation speed. For bolt it is 300, not 300, leg 300, and arm is 300. Now we will play our animation. So you can see that bolt came out, then nut, then arm and leg. We can again play it in reverse direction as well. So this is how we have done for nut, screw, leg and arm. So there are the 3 arm and 3 leg. On the other side we can do the same. So this is all about this tutorial, how to create exploded assembly with animation in FreeCAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.